welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Number of Goan die in bus tragedy on Tuesday at Ratnagiri. Mahakali bus plunges into Jagbudi river. More victims yet to be identified. Goa government assures necessary help to bereaved families of victims. "18 goats of Varak family die in Pangini. Death after eating poisonous weeds. Goats of neighbouring Dhangar in drowsy condition. Varak family faces crisis of survival." Panji to get new mayor on Wednesday. Top corporators in the fray for the mayor's post. Vaidai Naik out of list. Surendra Furtado, Tony Rodrigues, Rudresh Sodankar, Shubham Sodankar lock horns. Babush backs Furtado. Mahindra family doubts police investigation in Kavish Nath's death case. Kavish was killed by a speeding car on Monday. Dead body is handed over to the bereaved family. And MLAs suggest option to the government to allocate budget for developmental works in Goa. First day of budget discussion. Vishwajit Rane raises doubt over budget figures. And now the news in detail. Tragedy hit passengers from Goa on Tuesday. 37 passengers have been reported dead and 14 seriously injured after a speeding Mumbai-bound luxury bus plunged into the Jagbudi river in Ratnagiri district in the early hours. Number of Goan passengers have been reported dead and few injured. However, process of identification of bodies continued till late night on Tuesday. Goa government has assured all necessary help to the families of passengers.
There are 15 persons from Goa, out of which who have expired, out of which there are 8 people who are Goan origin residing in Goa. Okay? Then there are 4 people who are of Goan origin but they are settled in Mumbai. 4 people. And there are 3 people who are settled in Goa but originally from Rajasthan. Okay, that makes the count 15. Gadiyecho Patrao is one Mr. Bajirao Prabhu from Mumbai. And the vehicle belongs to Mahakali Travels. Goychan Mapsa 21 लोक बोर्ड जाल्ले, मारगांव 13 पैसेंजर बोर्ड जाल्ले आणि पणजे 3 पैसेंजर. Okay, total 37 passengers boarded from Goa. Others are from Sawantwadi, Kankoli and all that. But they say that it is difficult to identify the cause of accident. Because our team which has gone there, they are primarily now engaged, means even as on now it is not completed. The coordination and then releasing the bodies and all those things. This is on priority. Of course, before arriving, they would be definitely interacting with the police and trying to get a preliminary feel, which we would definitely brief you once the information is available.
Driver identified.
Driver identified. One of the driver is under arrest, but this is an information that we have, an oral information. We don't have the confirmed information whether the driver is under, but one driver is under arrest was the information they have passed on in the afternoon. Again, I would like to make it clear that the names of the passengers are as per the booking agent who had supplied us the information. In fact, of the first press note, it is the part and parcel of that first note, press note that has been released in the morning.
Vivek Pawar from Pali Kotambi, Bento de Costa from Margaon, Jose Regan Fernandez from Kolwa, Marcelina Antão Souza from Kolwa, Lal Singh from Margaon, Sister Martina Martins from Giri, Prakash Talaunekar from Korgaon, Ajaya Kamath from Ponda, Philippa Fernandez from Sirsai, Patrick Fernandez from Aldona, Baptist Fernandez from Kolwale, who stays in Mumbai, George Fernandez from Kolwale, who stays in Mumbai, Savin Fernandez, again from Kolwale, who stays in Mumbai. Rudolf Kusawa from Nerul stays in Rajasthan. And Vijaya Kusawa, Nerul, staying in Rajasthan.
The accident occurred in the wee hours of Tuesday at around 3:30 early morning near Khed in Maharashtra. Khed police informed that the driver lost control over the vehicle and bus plunged from the Jagbudi bridge from a height of almost 40 feet. It was very difficult for the authorities to identify the bodies of the passengers. The matter was raised in the Goa Assembly. While expressing deep concern over the tragedy, government has assured all the possible help to the families of deceased and the injured.
बसवाले जे आसा टॅक्स चुकोवपा खातीर हे मदीं पॅसेंजर घेवपाची तांकां संवय जाल्ली आसा तर एक बरी गजाल की ती न्हंयत उदक नाशिल्लें डायरेक्टली न्हंयन जरी पडली हय सगळे मरतले आशिल्ले
उदक आसून आसूं 37
सगळे उरलेले मरतले आसले उदक आसले सगळे मरतले आसले माझे म्हणणें आहा फूड मिनिस्टरान हे अशा पद्दतीचे बसवाले आहा तांचेर एक्शन घेवपाची गरज आसा
Henceforth, all the private bus operators having all India permit, contract carriage or temporary permit shall be required to submit a detailed list of passengers travelling in the bus along with their addresses and phone numbers at the time of departure at the respective checkposts. राती पाविल्ली बस सकाळी फुडें परत सुट्टा तांकां तांच्या ड्रायव्हराक कंट्रोल नासता आनी त्या खातीरूच हे अशे अपघात क्षणोक्षणी घडून येता आनी हाजेर इमिजिएट एक्शन गव्हर्मेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी घेतले अशें हांगा नमूद करता आनी त्याच प्रमाणे हे जे सगळे इंजुअर्ड पर्सन आसा ताचे जर गोंयचे कोणाकूय तांकां संबंदीत तांचे नातेवाईक आसा तांचे सगळे केअर गोवा गव्हर्मेंट घेतले अशें नमूद करता.
With bureau inputs, Omkar Falari for Prudent.
It was a fateful day to the Varak family in Poingin. They lost their 18 goats on Tuesday. Goats were out to graze the whole day at a field in Dabel, Poingin. Varak family suffered an utter shock when they found their 18 goats dead. Veterinary officers suspect that the goats must have died after eating poisonous weeds. The goats of neighbouring Dhangar are also found to be drowsy. Varaks have lost their bread and butter, Bhabesh Borkar reports.
It is a mystery that the goats died after grazing their regular fields. On Monday, the goats were out for grazing at fields in Dabel, Poingini. There is an open ground where the Dhangars take the goats for grazing. After grazing for a whole day, late night on Monday, the goats collapsed one after another. By Tuesday morning, they were all dead. The Dhangars tried all the local traditional medicine, but all in vain.
राती साकून स्टार्ट जाले
रातच्यान स्टार्ट जालें मरपाक
राती येता तेन्ना एक हांगा येवन पडले आनी मेले मागीर तेन्ना साकून स्टार्ट जाले
मागीर कितें केलें तुमी
मागीर कितें करतले आमी कितें भिंडाचो पालो व्हेलो आनी आमचे कडेन कितें जाता पळय अशें कितें खाता पळय तितले गायले म्हळ्यार
आतां पर्यंत कितले जाण मेले
आतां 18 सुमार मेली
18 पुल्ली बाकीच्या पुल्ली तुमी पुल्ली आनी दोतोरान कितें सांगलां आतां
डॉक्टरान येवन सांगलें पाल्याची मिस्टेक म्हण
पाल्याची मिस्टेक पूण सदां खाता तोच पालो खातालो न्ही ती
हय तोच खातात
तुमकां कितें दिसता कितें जालां अशें
म्हळ्यार आमकां दिसता डॉक्टरान सांगलें पाल्याची मिस्टेक जाला आमी कितें सांगलें.
There are 12 families of Dhangars in this area. Their sole occupation is milking the goats and earning a living. This is for the first time in the area that the goats died after consuming weeds.
थोडी रानां मेली हां पयलीं अशें केन्ना तुजी यादी प्रमाण अशें केन्ना जाल्लें पळय पयलीं तुमचो बोकडो सोडून आनी कितें धंदो आसा तुमचो आतां हेजेरूच हें करपाचें.
However, the veterinary officer says that the goats might have died after eating the poisonous weeds. Goats of neighbouring Dhangar are also found to be drowsy. It is a mystery that the goats died after grazing their regular fields. Reporter Bhabesh Borkar for Prudent.
CCP will elect its new mayor on Wednesday. Rudresh Chodankar, Surendra Furtado, Shubham Chodankar and Tony Rodriguez are in the fray. Corporators Surendra Furtado and Ruth Furtado have backed the Babush panel. Surprisingly, Vaidehi Naik did not file nomination form for the post on last day also. Elections for deputy mayor will also be held on Wednesday. Babush Montserrat has announced Surendra Furtado as his panel's candidate.
At the end of time which was prescribed for filing of nomination, for the post of mayor we have received 8 sets of nominations. As far as the position of deputy mayor of the CCP is concerned, 7 sets of nominations have been filed.
Babush panel has backed Surendra Furtado for the post of mayor and Bento Lorena for the post of deputy mayor.
We are a group of 14. So Mr. Surendra Furtado and Mrs. Ruth Furtado have joined our group. And we have anonymously decided that Mr. Surendra Furtado will lead this group. So we have proposed that Surendra Furtado will be the mayor of city of Panjim on tomorrow's election, and Bento Lawrence will be his deputy. I think we have got a group of 16. So we, so since we already said, we have decided that Mr. Surendra Furtado and Mr. Bento Lawrence will be leading the council.
CCP corporator Surendra Furtado said he is not happy with the ruling panel.
I thank Mr. Babush Montserrat for having reposed the faith in me to lead the corporation city of Panjim. When I voted for the present panel in the corporation, I had said I don't belong to any panel, any party in the corporation city of Panjim. I am voting for the development of Panjim. To my utter disgust, no development was done in Panjim.
Video journalist Dinesh Karpen, Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.